Nah. No, no, no. Drake is not playing fair now. He really out here bullying. He really out here bullying K Dot. This is K Dot. I hope he is drumming up something serious because Drake is putting the pressure on. Have y'all heard his new song on Instagram? My man is resurrecting AI Tupac, rapping at Kendrick. He did a AI Snoop, and then he hops on at the end, and he's rapping the whole time, but he brought out AI Tupac. Man, listen to this.
Illuminati does rise again. You can see it in my eyes again. Kendrick, we need ya, the West Coast savior. Ain't great in your name and some hip hop history.
This is crazy. Drake really in his sinister mode right now. This is a different kind of war. This is different. If y'all want to call Drake a nerd, he really nerding out right now. He's bringing from. Continue.
If you deal with this viciously, you seem a little nervous about all the publicity. This Canadian light skinned Doc, we need to know the baby West Coast victory, man. Call him a me. Talk about him liking young girls, that's a gift for me. Heard it on the Budding podcast, it's gotta be true. They told me the spirit of Machiavelli is alive. Under 5'5", so it's gotta be you. I would beat the whole game. It was me and Snoop Dogg. Had my shirt off in the House of Blues. K, you got a girl, he gotta get abused. All that shit burning tattoos, he is not amused. That's jail talk for real thugs. You gotta be you. Gotta leave it broken and bruised before we really lose. You asked for the smoke, now I seen you too busy for the smoke. I won't lie, the people confused. Now you about to get this another week and fall back to homegirl, but running numbers up, I would've refused. For these industry relationships, she not in your shoes. You supposed to be the boogeyman, go do what you do. Unless this is a moment that you tell us this not really you. In that case, there's nothing left to say, I just pass it to Snoop.
Nephew, what the really got to do?
Not AI Snoop too though. Oh my goodness, Snoop is still alive, bro. This is crazy.
Passed you the torch at the House of Blues, and now you gotta do some dirty work. You know how to move, right? Right? I know you never been to jail, orange jumpsuits and shower shoes. Never shot nobody, never stabbed nobody, never did nothing violent, and no one. It's the homies that empower you, but still you gotta show this. Who's boss on the west? Now's the time to really make a power move. Cause right now it's looking like you writing out the game plan on how to lose. How to bark up the wrong tree and then get your head popped in a crowded room. World is watching this chess game, but are you out of moves? That you know the DOG never outed you. But right now it seems like you posted up without a clue of what the about to do.
Yeah, that's the truth. I'm definitely about to come around the land gang and let my foul move. On you niggas from a whole different altitude, high up in the sky like I'm Howard Hughes. The first one really only took me an hour or two. The next one is really about to bring out the coward in you. But now we gotta wait a week, cause Taylor Swift is your new top. And if you about to drop, she gotta approve. This girl really about to make you act like you not in a feud. She tailor-made your schedule with Ant, you out of the loop. Hate all you corporate industry puppets, I'm not in the mood. I love it when you talk loose like I'm not in the room. Since like that your tone changed a little, you not as enthused. How are you not in the booth? It feel like you kinda removed. You tryna let this die down. Nah, not this time. You following through. I guess you need another week to figure out how to improve. What the is taking so long? We waiting on you. The rest of y'all are definitely involved. Y'all getting it too. Soon as you get the courage to drop, I'm out on the loose. On the loose. Yeah, shout out to Taylor Swift. Biggest gangster in the music game right now. You know, I moved my album when she dropped. I said that already. You know, she about to do a Millie Rock on your head top. She got the whole PG Lang on mute like that Beyonce challenge. Y'all boys quiet for the weekend, like. Dot, I know you in that NY apartment, you struggling right now. I know it. In a notepad doing lyrical gymnastics, my boy. You better have a quintuple entendre on that. Some shit I don't even understand, like. Gotta be crazy. We waiting on you. Yeah.
I'm sure we're gonna hear from K Dot pretty soon. Because if he pushed this out much longer, who knows what else Drake's about to do. He is the troll of all trolls in this moment. Thanos, King Bully, whatever you want to think of right now. He's over there in the booth doing stuff, putting stuff out, crying, laughing emoji. There's a reason why J. Cole dropped out. Good for him. Respect to him. I'm telling y'all right now, this is different. I hope it stays just in the booth, but this is getting wild. What do you guys think? This is crazy.